Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2, episode 2 of Clearwater Bible Studio album unboxing. It's time to tell what the album is. It's Bayou Country 1, 2, 3 and back 2, 3. I'm going to read song 2. Born in the Bayou, bootleg, graveyard train, I think say it. We got him is Molly, Prince House, Porter, Pale Mary, Keep on Juggling. Then we have bootleg alternative take, born in the Bayou Live in London, England, 28th of the 9th, 1971. Pale Mary Live in Stockholm, Sweden, 21st of the 9th, 1971. The Fillmore San Francisco, Canada, 3rd of the 14th, 1969. Chrissy Otto. So there's the songs themselves, 1, 2, 3, and back 2, 3. Let's now unbox this shit. If we're coming my language again to a porn site, I'll go from here. I need to get this album. Hang on a minute. Why is it clean? Hang on. I need to do this. This is really annoying. What the hell's going on here? Hang on a second, guys. Remove issues. Hang on a second. Got it. Hang on, guys. There. Hang on. Right, here's the front. I'll get that off. Here's the front from here. 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3. Put it down and show the booklet. 1, 2, 3. Next up, we have this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. And again. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Just gonna check something. Give me a second. Hang on 1 minute. Good. Next page, we have this one. 1, 2, 3. And the next page, 1, 2, 3. Maybe next one, miss the page. And this here, hang on. No page missing. And the last 2 pages before the back. 1, 2, 3. Back, 1, 2, 3. Front, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to show you the inside of this. Give me a second. Just took it away. I'm going to show you the inside. This out something behind it, so I have to show it to you. 1, 2, 3. This one. 1, 2, 3. And back. 1, 2, 3. That was my unboxing of Bayou Country. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. In part 3 of the album, when when the next album will be in part 3 of the video. It will be released and recorded now. Stand by for part 3 of Queen's Clearwater Revival studio album collection unboxing. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. See you in the next video for part 3. Peace.